Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing issues in Steam after installing a new game. Let's begin. So you're confident enough that you have uh, a PC build that can run the game and you have stable internet connection, but your game is still crashing. What you can do is you can actually go to the Steam library, select that game. Let's just say Palworld. You can right click, select properties, install games, and verify integrity. Uh, Steam will now scan or check the game files if everything was installed correctly. And if not, it will show in here that it will reacquire and reinstall those files for you. You just need to wait. It will show in here on how long the installation might take. It should not take that long. Once done, you can reinstall or you can restart the Steam client, open the game, and everything should now work. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.